Welcome to part 5. In this part, I'm going to be talking about the backend developer. What does the backend developer do? What does it mean to be a backend developer? Should I be a backend developer? These are all questions that we answered in this part. So, a backend developer builds the parts for websites or mobile apps that the user does not see. If you looked at my previous parts, I mentioned that a front-end developer builds the parts that a user sees. So in a website, there is the part where a user sees, and there is the part the user does not see. The part the user sees contains the forms, the buttons, the images, the text, while the part that the user does not see processes all the information, the logic that you send from the front end to the back end. So, who writes the code for the part you cannot see? You're right. That's the backend developer. The backend developer writes code to handle logging in, signing up, adding a new post if it's a blog, processing information, even if it's AI related information, a backend developer handles that. This part the user will not see and the user may not know of, but that is the job of a backend developer. So imagine it like a restaurant where you are cooking at the back and serving customers in the front. The back-end developers cook at the back. The front-end developers serve what has been cooked to you, the user, the customer. So that is what a back-end developer does. Builds the parts that processes the logical parts at the back end. So, would you like to be a back-end developer? In the next series, we'll be looking at what a back-end developer earns and what you need to know to be a back-end developer. Don't miss the next series. Remember to like and to follow for updates on new parts.